Good afternoon, parents. I am here to teach you how to log into Launchpad and access the online tools for distance learning. If you would, type in your child's username and password on the BDS Launchpad screen. Click Sign In. At the prompt, you'll notice that you have access to ClassDojo, Canvas, and various other online resources. You'll notice that one is labeled BDS Backpack. Click that icon. In the backpack, you will find all of the technology related to the textbooks that we use for Bay District schools. This will be a lot of what you will be using for virtual learning, and you can click on any of those things. So we are going to click on Math, and you'll notice when we do that, here are some things that we have access to. We have First in Math, we have Zearn, we have Dreambox, and other things that we can utilize. We'll be focusing primarily on First in Math and Zearn. Once you click that, it will direct you to that website. Yay! You can then go back to your dashboard by clicking the dashboard button at the top left. Or you can close that tab and click on the Launchpad thing that was popped up, the window, and we can go to somewhere else. So we'll look at online media resources, and this is where you can locate Overdrive. This is where you can check your kids out books. Super fun. It opens the Sora app, it's going to sign in, and voila. Super easy. You can access, I've earned a blast off point for opening my app for the first time. You can access all kinds of ebooks that you can check out. And to do that, you can click it and click Borrow. And now I am being loaned this book. And you click it, and here you go. And then you can click Done. And then again, go back by going to the other window. And you're back to the login screen on Launchpad. I hope this was helpful.